Stop. You have been eating pineapples the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, your strategic guide to the high-performance chemistry hidden in nature's most rugged structures. Most people look at this spiky, tropical giant and see nothing but a sweet, acidic snack or a pizza topping. But by cutting away the core or eating it as a canned, heated dessert, you are neutralizing the most potent protein-dissolving and joint-repairing medicine in the botanical world. To understand the true power of the pineapple, we have to look at its incredible evolutionary journey in South America. For centuries, it was a symbol of hospitality and wealth, but more importantly, it was the ultimate biological tool for wound healing and digestive fire. This isn't just a fruit, it is a high-tech biological engine designed by nature to break down complex structures and shield your body from systemic inflammation. When we dive into the nutritional architecture of a pineapple, the density of its biological tools is staggering. While everyone knows it's a vitamin C bomb, the real secret lies in a specialized enzyme complex called bromelain. This isn't just a simple digestive aid. Bromelain is a group of proteolytic enzymes that have the unique ability to be absorbed into the bloodstream, where they actively dissolve the fibrin layers of internal clots and swelling. Furthermore, pineapples are a massive source of manganese, a trace mineral that over 30% of people are deficient in, which is critical for bone density and the formation of connective tissue. When you consume a pineapple correctly, you aren't just getting a sugar boost, you are providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to repair your joints and clear your vascular pathways. The health benefits of this golden crown are especially profound for your digestive stability and your post-workout recovery. The bromelain in pineapple works as a biological scissors, specifically targeting and breaking down hard-to-digest proteins in your gut, effectively eliminating bloating and heaviness. For your joints, the high concentration of manganese works in perfect harmony with the fruit's natural antioxidants to rebuild collagen and reduce the inflammation associated with arthritis or injury. Moreover, the unique thiamine, or B1 levels in pineapple, act as a metabolic spark, converting the fruit's natural sugars into immediate energy for your brain and muscles. It is a complete internal purification and structural support system, wrapped in a tough, scaly skin that keeps your body's internal systems running with peak precision. However, the reason I told you that you were eating it wrong is due to the core mistake and the heat trap. This is critical. The highest concentration of bromelain is not in the soft, sweet flesh. It is in the tough, fibrous core that most people throw in the trash. To eat a pineapple right, you should never discard the core. Instead, slice it thinly or blend it into your smoothies to capture the most medicinal part of the fruit. Furthermore, canned pineapple or pineapple juice that has been pasteurized is biologically dead. Bromelain is extremely heat sensitive and is destroyed at temperatures above 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees Celsius. To get the maximum immortality benefit, you must eat the fruit raw and fresh. Also, never pair pineapple with high-protein dairy like cottage cheese or yogurt if you have a sensitive stomach. The bromelain will begin to digest the milk proteins instantly, which can lead to a metallic taste or minor digestive discomfort for some. Of course, even a joint-repairing superfood like the pineapple requires some strategy. Because bromelain acts as a mild blood thinner, individuals scheduled for surgery or those on prescription blood thinners should consult with their physician before consuming high doses. Additionally, if you find that pineapple makes your mouth feel tingly or sore, that's actually the bromelain starting to break down the proteins on your tongue. A quick hack is to soak your cut pineapple in a light saltwater solution for a few minutes. This partially deactivates the surface enzymes while leaving the internal medicine intact. Most importantly, choose organic whenever possible to avoid the pesticides that can get trapped in the fruit's rough crevices. Selecting a superior nutrient-dense pineapple is a game of scent and leaf. Avoid pineapples that are completely green or rock hard. These were picked too early, and their bromelain levels haven't peaked. Look for a fruit that has a golden yellow hue climbing up from the base. give it the pluck test. Tug on one of the inner leaves at the top crown. If it comes out with a gentle pull, the fruit is perfectly ripe. The ultimate secret is the scent test. The base of the pineapple should smell intensely sweet and tropical. If it smells like nothing, it has no medicine. If it smells fermented or vinegary, it's already over the hill. Once you have your perfect pineapple, storage is about orientation. Keep it at room temperature for a day or two to let the sugars settle. But here's the pro tip: store it upside down. This allows the concentrated sugars at the base to flow down towards the crown, ensuring every bite is consistently nutrient-dense. Once cut, store it in an airtight container in the fridge and eat it within 3 to 5 days. By choosing the most fragrant fruit and embracing the power of the core, you're turning a tropical snack into a powerful cornerstone of your health strategy. Stop treating the pineapple as just a garnish and start treating it as the joint-repairing and protein-digesting miracle it truly is. Your gut, your joints, and your energy levels will thank you.